This is Praveen Kumar from Facts 1 Minute. So the content I have brought you today is about shampoos. So we all are using shampoos, right? So do you know who invented shampoos? It was Indians, guys. Yes, it was Indians. So during ancient times, Indian people were using herbs to massage their body, massage their head. So they called it as champo. It is a Sanskrit word. So when British people came in, they saw this technique of massaging various body parts. They found this technique to be useful, and what they did was they got their own traditional soaps. They shaved it and they mixed it with the herbs which we were using. So they mixed it and they brought a solution. So this solution they called it as shampoo. So that's the solution which we are using it today, and we are calling it as shampoo. So this is the content which I thought of bringing you today. So if you like this video, just press the like button, and if you want to know more facts like this, you can subscribe to my channel so that you can get instant notifications from my side if you press the bell icon. Okay, bye.